Next, right here on URL parameters, this is where you can track your affiliates. Affiliate marketing is essentially people that will sell your products for you. So maybe on Instagram or whatever it is, you can use this for influencers or just normal affiliates. Typically, they will have a special 15% discount that you give to them. You need to be able to track how is everyone doing? How does that compare with all your other channels? Click new. Let's say the affiliate name is influencer one. The category can be influencer. And then the parameters, if their name was influencer one, we could just put influencer one. And if it was an Instagram influencer, we would select Instagram. Or if it was a TikTok influencer, then we would click TikTok. And then we just hit create. Now we give them a link and they put that link on their post, and then people click the link and buy on your store. You'll be able to see those purchases in the report. So it's really easy to track all your affiliates and influencers right here in the URL parameter section. Next, we can go to URL rules. In this section, there's a bunch of rules predefined for us: Discord, YouTube, Google search, email, TikTok, Pinterest. I'll click into Google search. So you can name it, you give it a category, and then you can add multiple rules to track things however you want. Just click the little plus sign here, and you can do things like current URL, that's the URL you're on right now. The previous URL, that's the URL you were on right before your current. If you went to the home page of a website and then click to the product page, would be the current URL, and the previous URL would be the home page. Referral URL, let's say you clicked from Google search, then you went home page, then you went to the product page. The referral URL would be Google. The previous URL would be the home page, and the current URL would be the product page. If it's equal, if I type in slash cart, that would be if someone went on the cart page, or maybe special lead page, or whatever it is. If you want to track certain things of how people are doing it, this is how you can do it. So if it's set to equal, then the link has to be yourwebsite.com/cart. It has to equal that exactly. Or if you want it to not equal that, you can click not equal. Normally, contains and not contains is what you want to do, because sometimes there's extra information in the URL. For example, app.incharge.com/dashboard/URL rules. There's two parts. For equal, just put in /dashboard/URL rules, or contains. This example, we could just do URL_rules. And now, if the current URL is this, then it will add it. And then pick your source. If we don't want this anymore, we can just click remove. Let's close this. If you want to make brand new rules, you can just click the new sign right here. Enter your name, your category. Is it paid? Is it organic? Is it influencers? Is it partnership? Is it retail? Track your category and add any kind of source that you want. It's super easy to add an icon that we don't already have. You just click traffic sources and see a list of all the sources that have been uploaded. If you want to add one that isn't already here, click new and name it and add the image. Okay, if we wanted to add bronze goddess and say bronze goddess, create. Okay, so now we can see it right there. Go back to the URL rules and click new, click traffic source. We can see it right here, bronze goddess, and we can click it. We can make custom stuff that way.